put a post up a little bit earlier there about shithouse record labels. You know these record labels, they have like fucking 50 followers, like, and try and charge bands money for plugging them on Facebook. There's quite a few of them about at the minute, and the more I see them, the more annoys me. So I had a little rant on Facebook, and then they had Steve Thompson, Jay Ream, and Dan Martin Hall all having murdered. I was at work at the time, I was just working away, and I checked my phone when I finished. I was like, Jesus Christ, proper essays as well, proper going to work. But to be honest, they're quite educational, so if you want to see like two of the best musos versus a record label, I'll check that post out. There's still something down there on Facebook, like quite funny stuff, quite funny stuff. Right, number 15 this week, guys. It's down 6. It's Mr. Alan Triggs, the wonderful man he is, and this is Algae. Have a go with this.
Algae, pudding and pie. If I don't laugh, I think I'll cry. Wakes up in the PM, carpe diem. Fiver on the lecky, beer for his brekkie. By the time it's 2:30, shovels about with nothing to do. Watching Jeremy Kyle for a while. Life and soul of his local dole up here. 'Cause Algae was an alcoholic, sitting upon his throne, sipping on tan and super, smoking roll-ups to the bone. Yeah, Algae was an alcoholic, sitting upon his throne, sipping on tan and super, smoking roll-ups to the bone. Time drips away, now it's almost 4. His beer's all gone and he needs some more. Back to the offie, not drinking coffee, no, not today, 'cause he's just been paid, oh yeah. As the sun goes down, he's happy inside. He numbed the pain of his empty life. Wakes up tomorrow, pain and the sorrow are back to stay. It's like Groundhog Day, oh yeah. 'Cause Algae was an alcoholic, sitting upon his throne, sipping on tan and super, smoking roll-ups to the bone. Yeah, Algae was an alcoholic, sitting upon his throne, sipping on tan and super, smoking roll-ups to the bone.
Hello.
Huh?
How are you?
What, you want some dick?
Hello.
Is it me you're looking for?
I hate when I hear a breakup song on the radio because I haven't had a relationship since 5th grade, so I have to think of that.
And Alan's EP has just been released, guys. If you enjoyed that song, he has many more like that on his new EP entitled Algae. It's on iTunes. You can also stream it from Spotify. Very good song lyricalist. A good songwriter, should I say, lyricalist. What is that even a word? Right, number 14 this week, guys. It is down 3. It is the Boston Shakers. The best things in life are free. This band will be playing this Thursday, also with Hegarty in the Zanzibar. Again, absolutely brilliant band. It's going to be a good night. I'm looking forward to it. I normally take pictures and things. You know what? I might just get pissed on this one and enjoy myself. Let me air down for a minute. This is the Boston Shakers. The best things in life are free.
sunshine from SoCal. French girls all day, those chicks are so wild. My own beach in Spain with big speakers playing. Kickback, smoke BDs, sweeties and bikinis. Best things in life are one freebies. 2 shots of Jaeger or maybe 3 shot Patron. One for me, one for my dog, and one for that bitch who never sleeps alone. I want the limes inside of my spice rum. Get your hands off of my whiskey. We gon' wild out to this beat. Ain't nobody getting no sleep. I can't have it free. I want that 20 back cheaper. You seen what it costs in Spain. Plus they're out to grow their reefer. They smoking it dope to the brain. I get on my change, I get on my cash tax free. But that's me. Sometimes we spend it on sneakers. Most times we spend it on speakers. That's right. Who's down from Martian to this Boston shaking shit? Who's got my drinks cause it's costing, but we ain't paid for shit. They got your mind, soul and body, but they never got it from me. I want the best things in life for free. I want the best things in life for free. I want the best things in life for free. I want the best things in life for free. I want the best things in life for free. We don't pay to go out, we go out to get paid. Out with a bang, it's the Boston Shakers. So get out the mark of makers. The bar's gon' break, it's a haven for ravers. It's all about changing the papers. It's all about chasing the status. It's all just the same entertainment. We want it now when it's free, so just shake it up. With money, this life will be funny, but I ain't got nada, can't take nothing from me. I'm after that milk and that honey, at least I have her love my city, she loves me. I want it for free like I stole it, straight to the dome and reload it. Who got it? Yeah, who the fuck owns it? Take it all back cause it's ours and we want it. Who's down from Martian to this Boston shaking shit? Who's got my drinks cause it's costing, but we ain't paid for shit? They got your mind, soul and body, but they never got it from me. I want the best things in life for free. I want the best things in life for free. I want the best things in life for free. I want the best things in life for free. I want the best things in life for free.
Unsigned and original music on Round Sound Radio. Showcasing the best of the best. Acts throughout Liverpool and the Northwest.
When you dance with the devil,
I'm left out. I will never be a rock star.
Round Sound, original and unsigned music. Every Sunday, 8 p.m. till 10 p.m. Right, this week at number 13 we have a brand new entry in, guys. It's Mr. John Meadows with Mojo Rising. Very husky voice.
me. So give it to me. You keep my mojo rising. You keep the sweet song shining. You keep my mojo rising. With the sand, soul with Tyson. You keep my mojo. So give it to me. So give it to me. So give it to me.
You're amazing. You are. My doctor said, wake up in the morning, yeah, and say to yourself, Ray, I am amazing 100 times, right? And I do. I'm there, at the edge of my bed,